Ever wondered how you can find peace in the midst of nature? Today, we embark on a journey to explore the serene tranquility that blossoms in the heart of the great outdoors. We'll delve into the concept of garden meditation, a practice that brings forth calm and harmony by building a bridge to nature. Imagine finding solace in the rustle of leaves, the melodies of birdsong, the whisper of the wind. What if we told you that you could achieve this peace in your own backyard? Garden meditation is a simple and effective way to connect with nature and find inner peace. Let's delve into the steps you can take to make this serene experience a reality. First, select a quiet, comfortable spot in your garden. This is your sanctuary, a place where you can truly unwind. Next, find a comfortable position, whether that's sitting cross-legged, lying down, or even reclining in your favorite garden chair. Now, gently close your eyes and turn your focus inward, toward your breath. Feel the air as it enters and leaves your body, anchoring you to the here and now. Then, open your ears to the symphony of nature around you. The rustle of leaves, the chirping of birds, the hum of insects. These are the melodies of your garden meditation. Finally, let your thoughts drift away, like clouds in the sky. Be present in the moment, embracing the tranquility of nature. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to meditate. It's all about finding what works for you. So, are you ready to find peace in your own garden? Imagine the tranquility that awaits you. Garden meditation offers a unique path to serenity, right in your backyard. It's a journey worth taking. We encourage you to embark on this adventure of self-discovery. Feel free to share your experiences. Let's grow this community of nature lovers, one garden at a time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips on finding peace in nature.